Turbosmart's Boost T is one of the best value upgrades you can make to your turbocharged vehicle. This installation tutorial will be performed on a Mitsubishi Evolution 8, but the steps shown here will apply to most popular vehicles. First, we must gain access to the turbo. In the case of our Evolution 8, this involves removing the airbox assembly. Now we locate our wastegate actuator and our pressure source. Both hoses have to be removed. And we replace them with Turbosmart silicone hoses. Make sure your hoses are long enough to reach the intended mounting position of your boost tee. Disconnect the boost line on the solenoid. The vent line from the solenoid does not need to be removed. We leave the factory solenoid wired in place to keep the ECU happy. Now it's time to mount our boost tee in place. We will be using a mounting bracket that is supplied with every boost tee. It's a good idea to mount the boost tee as close to the turbocharger as possible. The shorter the hoses, the better the response. With the boost tee securely mounted, we attach both hoses, ensuring the wastegate actuator hose is attached to the fitting, marked with the arrow. The boost can now be adjusted by turning the knob in the direction marked on the boost tee. We recommend you start with the boost tee just open, about half a turn from the fully closed position. It's worth mentioning here that while the boost tee will allow you to increase boost, it cannot reduce boost below the factory wastegate spring level. Once the boost is set, the boost tee can be locked using a locking nut located just below the adjustment knob. All Turbosmart boost tees contain our gated ball and spring system that eliminates wastegate creep and provides superior boost response. Some sensitive turbo systems, however, may require the simple removal of the ball and spring from the pressure line of the boost tee. This procedure will slow down the ramp rate of the system and will prevent boost spiking. Alright, all that's left to do now is to put the airbox back in and tighten all the bolts.